Hello, guys. Welcome to the chat. Oh, it's your boy Justice, and we are so glad. Yeah, we are so glad the crypto market is literally doing what everyone was like, when is it going to happen? When is it going to happen? When is it going to happen? And finally, I'm glad to tell us it has happened. It has started happening, not that it has happened. So it has started happening. It has started happening, and everyone is moving. Sweet. Let's go to the screen very fast. Now we have Ethereum to start. Now, remember we did days back, like let's say 6 days back, let's say a week back, we analyzed Ethereum to break out, come for a retest, and boom to this first target. And for those of us that use this trade as spoken, that is Ethereum moving 25%. Damn, that's much. That's much. That's much. 25, 24%. But is it what is happening? Yes, it is what is happening. Obviously, you can look at the charts. It is what is happening. So let's go to our main man for the hour, the man of the hour, Bitcoin. What is the Bitcoin market doing? 2 days back, it boomed up. Yesterday, it went up further, and today it has started going again in another sweet, massive volume. Correct. Bitcoin is looking sweet right now. It's looking wonderful. But please don't forget, I stated something. There should be a retest. Now, we are expecting Bitcoin to retest after hitting the 21k, and it has already struck the 21k level. Let's go to the R chart to see if it would really retest or it will just forget about it and just push back up. Okay, now looking at it in a 1 hour time frame, after striking the 21k level, Bitcoin is supposedly meant to retest, but I'm thinking something would still happen. I think it would still drag itself. The buyers will still drag the market to 22k before coming for a massive launch of retest. Now let me on my trend indicator to see if it's true. Yes, Bitcoin could possibly break the 21k 300 level to strike 22k, then finally, or 21.5k, then finally drop for a massive retest level. Now Bitcoin market has woken up to the bull side. Now I'm proudly going to announce we are in the bullish side of the market. Yes, we are on the bullish side of the market. Why am I saying so? Because obviously the market has given us the signal of we can move. Now let's confirm looking at our weekly charts. Our weekly charts, you can see the volume Bitcoin used for this week. Just this week, the volume is massive. And not just the volume being massive, it is at the 50-point RSI. It just crossed it a bit. 50.8. 50.8 is a nice level to tell you that, okay, this market is breaking a good, reasonable level. We have just 1 day and 18 hours from the point of making this video to close this week. So it is a very wonderful structure Bitcoin setting up here. And let's look at it in the 1 month. The 1 month, look at the nature of the candle. The nature of the candle for this 1 month is crazy. It is crazy. Now the volume is not yet compared to the rest, but it is crazy. It is guys, it is. So I believe for one that Bitcoin has struck its level. Why would I say based on the monthly it has struck its level? We have a level. Okay, let me off this, guys. We have a level of resistance at this place, at the 14k, and there's a level of resistance at 14k on Bitcoin, but it rather found, sorry, there's a level of support. I'm very sorry about that. There's a level of support around this 14k level, but now Bitcoin found itself a support at 15.9k. So that is something to be proud about for Bitcoin. it is something to be proud of. So hopefully, 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 Bitcoin has landed from where it took off from, and hopefully this month will end us in a green, or should I just call it in a bullish Bitcoin format. Bitcoin should close us in a bullish format this month, hopefully. Now we can't shout we are all bullish yet. Why? Because the volume so far is still competed with. But on the weekly, so I can be safe to say on the weekly, we are doing perfectly fine, because I am sure Bitcoin's market might not spoil today. I'm not certain of any spoiling. But please, based on the nature of this resistance level here, let us be careful for a shooting star. Now, if we are not careful, the day might close up looking like a shooting star, though it might still have a green color, or the day might close up looking as an hammer that is inverted. So please, let us be careful. Bitcoin is now at a level of testing its resistance. Don't forget, it has given us four strong candles: this, 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 and this. Bitcoin has given us four strong candles. Let me just mark it out. These are the four candles Bitcoin has given us. So after every four candle, after every three candles, after every three major candles, or after every four major candles, there's always a retest to the opposite direction of where it came from. So please, to the particular direction of where it came from, sorry. So please be mindful. Bitcoin traders, be careful. And when I speak to Bitcoin traders, I speak to all crypto traders. Be careful. You know why? Because Bitcoin is the mother and the father of all crypto. So once Bitcoin makes a retest, every other crypto might make a retest. Now, so far, Bitcoin has moved 20%. So imagine Bitcoin moving 10% for a retest. Now, if Bitcoin should move 10% for a retest, all your 50x will become 5x. So please be careful. At this point, be careful. I would tell us, in case Bitcoin breaks to this level, let me just push this. In case Bitcoin breaks to 21K9 or 22K, please be careful. There will certainly be a retest that will slash your neck if you don't close your profits. If you don't close your profits. So, guys, that is it. Ethereum is moving as analyzed. Ethereum is moving perfectly as analyzed. And let's not get it twisted. Remember, I said after the breakout, there will be a retest. There will be a retest. Now, I announced there will be a retest before it hits this target, but obviously it's going for the target already. So I believe those of us using this trade would obviously see this candle and move into the buy. Now we must get that retest. Now let me on my trend indicator. Now my trend indicator just finally broke out with Ethereum and the candle looks very nice, but it has not retested yet. So please, guys, be vigilant, be observant. Now as for the HNT that was analyzed days back, we can see obviously HNT is doing perfectly well. HNT has struck all the levels. Yes, this is the final level I gave for HNT. HNT has struck all the levels. I have come out with profit. I believe those of us that entered into this analysis has come out with profit. Sorry, I've already deleted it before making this video. So we've struck our level for HNT. That is a powerful one. How many percent did we make in this market? We made a whopping 46%. Now I just stopped it here. I just say we should take our profit around this zone, though there's a resistance here and obviously there's another one here. So guys, that is it for today. The Bitcoin market has started moving. Yes, it has started moving. We've started making money. Well, we've been making money before this, but please be observant. There would be a retest. There would be a retest. The retest might either happen today or it would happen tomorrow, but please be very careful. There will be a retest. Thank you. Stay blessed. I love you.